Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today I have a quick dinner idea recipe for you. For that I have 1 pound of ground minced chicken meat. I have cabbage which I had at home, and about 3 to 4 potatoes, and some cilantro, green onions, and garlic, ginger, and chili. It's basically whatever you have at home, and it's a quick and easy. So for that we're going to be grating the potatoes and the cabbage. So I'm using the bigger part of the grater for the potatoes, and I'm going to use the smaller side for the cabbage. So the potatoes are done. I've grated that, and now I'm going to grate the cabbage in the same bowl. To this mixture with potatoes and cabbage grated, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of salt so it releases its water, and we're going to drain the water. So some salt, mix it, and let it sit for a few minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So in a separate bowl, we're going to place the ground beef, chicken meat. And to that we're going to add about a teaspoon of garam masala. And I have here is a chicken seasoning, Clubhouse chicken seasoning, that I'm adding about a tablespoon. Three green chilies, finely chopped. And to this we're going to add green onions. And some cilantro. I'm gonna just chop it up right into the bowl. I'm gonna grate the ginger. I'm gonna add about a half of red bell pepper just to add in some color, and I'm gonna finally chop it up. So I have rinsed and drained the cabbage and potato because of the salt. So now I'm going to squeeze out as much water as I can. And I'm going to put it in. Now we're going to mix all the ingredients together really, really well, so all the spices and everything is mixed. So I'm going to pour some oil into our pan. And we're going to make patties. We're going to let it cook for about a couple of minutes each side, and then we'll flip them over. Now we are going to flip them over and cook for another 2 minutes. Since we've been cooking now, I'm going to add about half a can of tomato sauce, pasta sauce. And now we're going to cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Now we're going to add some cheese. And we're going to cover and let it cook until the cheese melts. About a couple of minutes. Our dish is ready. Now we're going to take it out in a serving dish. So our delicious dinner is ready. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.